The importance of valued communities during disasters, hyperinflationary times, war, grid-down events, or other crises cannot be understated. Social support and mental health. One of the most significant benefits of a valued community is the social support it provides. Social connections help reduce stress, provide emotional support, and improve mental health. Studies have shown that individuals with strong social networks have better mental health outcomes and are more resilient in the face of adversity. Resource sharing and mutual aid. Communities enable resource sharing and mutual aid, which are crucial during crises. When resources become scarce, the ability to share food, water, medical supplies, and other necessities can significantly enhance survival and reduce suffering. Collective problem solving. Communities bring together diverse skills and knowledge, enabling collective problem solving. This diversity allows communities to innovate and adapt more effectively to new challenges. Whether it's rebuilding after a disaster or finding alternative ways to obtain food during economic hardship. Security and safety. A tight-knit community enhances security and safety. Neighbors can look out for each other, reducing the risk of crime and increasing overall safety. In times of conflict or instability, community members can band together to protect their homes and families. Natural disasters. In the aftermath of natural disasters like hurricanes, earthquakes, and floods, communities play a crucial role in recovery efforts. Local knowledge and networks can expedite rescue operations and the distribution of aid. For instance, during Hurricane Harvey in 2017, the Cajun Navy, a group of volunteer boat owners, rescued thousands of people trapped by floodwaters. Community preparedness programs. Community preparedness programs such as Community Emergency Response Teams, CERT, train residents in basic disaster response skills, including fire safety, light search and rescue, and medical operations. These programs enhance a community's ability to respond effectively to disasters and support each other until professional help arrives. Valued communities in war times. During World War II, British communities organized Dig for Victory campaigns, encouraging citizens to grow their own food to supplement rations. Neighborhood watch programs were also established to maintain security and support vulnerable residents. Refugee assistance. Communities can also play a critical role in assisting refugees and displaced persons. Local organizations often provide food, shelter, legal assistance, and integration support to those fleeing conflict. Hyperinflationary times. In times of hyperinflation, when national currencies lose their value, communities often turn to alternative economies. Barter systems, local currencies, and time banks can help maintain economic activity and ensure that people's needs are met. For instance, during the hyperinflation in Zimbabwe in the late 2000s, many communities relied on barter and informal trading systems. Community gardens and cooperative farms. Community gardens and cooperative farms can also play a vital role in ensuring food security during economic crises. By growing their own food, communities can reduce their dependence on unstable markets and ensure a steady supply of fresh produce. Grid-down events. In the event of a prolonged power outage, communities with renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines can maintain some level of energy independence. Microgrids, which are localized grids that can operate independently of the national grid, can provide power to critical infrastructure and homes during grid-down events. Water and food security. Communities can enhance their resilience to grid-down events by ensuring access to water and food. Rainwater harvesting systems, community wells, and communal food storage facilities can help maintain access to essential resources during extended outages. Communication networks. Maintaining communication is crucial during grid-down events. Communities can set up local radio networks, satellite phones, and other independent communication systems to stay connected and coordinate their efforts. Building a valued community. The foundation of a valued community is strong, positive relationships among its members. Regular social events, community projects, and open communication channels help build trust and cohesion. Communities should prioritize inclusivity, ensuring that all members feel valued and heard. Establishing shared goals. Communities with shared goals and values are more resilient. Whether it's sustainability, safety, or mutual support, having a common purpose strengthens bonds and enhances collective action. Community meetings and planning sessions can help establish and align these goals. Encouraging participation. Active participation from all community members is essential for a valued community. Encouraging volunteerism, creating opportunities for engagement, and recognizing contributions help maintain high levels of involvement and investment in the community's well-being. Developing resources and infrastructure. Investing in community resources and infrastructure enhances resilience. This includes establishing communal gardens, building emergency shelters, setting up renewable energy systems, and creating shared tool libraries. These resources can be vital during crises, ensuring that the community can support itself even when external aid is limited. Case studies. Hurricane Sandy, 2012. When Hurricane Sandy struck the northeastern United States in 2012, many communities demonstrated remarkable resilience. In Red Hook, Brooklyn, a community-based organization called Red Hook Initiative, RHI, played a crucial role in the neighborhood's recovery. RHI set up a communication hub, distributed supplies, and provided space for residents to charge devices and access the internet. The strong pre-existing relationships within the community facilitated these efforts. The economic crisis in Greece. During the economic crisis in Greece, many communities established alternative economies to cope with the financial strain. The Volos Tem is a local exchange trading system that allows members to trade goods and services without using euros. This system helped maintain economic activity and ensured that community members could meet their basic needs despite the national economic turmoil. The importance of a valued community cannot be overstated, especially in times of crisis. Whether dealing with natural disasters, wartime challenges, economic hardships, or infrastructure failures, communities provide essential support, resources, and resilience. By building strong networks, sharing resources, developing skills, and maintaining effective communication, communities can navigate crises more effectively and ensure that no one is left behind. Investing in community development, fostering strong relationships, and encouraging active participation are crucial steps in building resilient communities. Through collective action and mutual support, communities can not only survive but thrive in the face of adversity, demonstrating the enduring power of human connection and cooperation. By emphasizing the strength and resilience of communities, we can better prepare for and respond to the crises that inevitably arise, ensuring a more secure and supportive environment for all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Know that God provides, so get wise and learn how to survive. May God bless you and your family.